Good morning, Wednesday here. We're going to go over the homework from last night first. Number one, we're on page 112, the sharpening skills. So, number one is 276 inches. Number two is 2 1/3 yards. Number three is 1 5/9 yards. Number four is 15 feet. Number five is 6,864 feet. Number six is 9 inches. Number seven, 1,408 yards. And number eight is 380,160 inches. So if you got that one right, more power to you. You did a good job. Number nine, we're going through this chart. I'm just going to read the numbers across each column. All right. So number 9.025, 0.25, 2.5, 25, 250, 2,500, and 25,000. Number 10, 0.015, 0.15, 1.5, 15, 150, 1,500, 15,000. Now, number 11, 0.0738, 0.738, 7.38, 73.8, which was given to you, 738, 7,380, and 73,800. Number 12, last one there in the chart, 0.002. Then you're just moving the decimal place one place over each space. 0.02, 0.2, 2, 20, 200, and 2,000. Then the last three problems deal with percent. On number 13, 121% of 5,025. All right, that is $6,080.25. All right, that's just a change percent to a decimal and multiply. But the next two are division problems. Number 14, 24 is what percent of 96? That's 25%. You had to divide 96 into 24. And number 15, 12 is 15% of what number? You had to take 15%, change it to a decimal, and divide it into 12. So 12 would be inside the bracket, and you would get 80 for your answer. All right. So let's take a look here at converting within the metric system. Last year, remember, I showed you a system to use using the Z. If you're going up in the scale, you count how many places you jump. That's how many decimal places you move. If you go up in the scale, the decimal place goes to the left. And if you go down in the scale, it goes to the right. Because if you're going up, you're dividing. If you're going down, you're multiplying. So here's your scale. All right? Here's your scale. You have your meters or grams or liters, whichever it happens to be, and your prefixes, deci, centi, milli, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Again, these two right here, you're hardly ever going to use those. The same thing with your decimeter. You'll almost never use that. Mainly millimeters, centimeters, meters, your units, and kilometers. Those are the ones you normally use, or kilo. It could be kilograms, it could be kiloliters, whatever it happens to be. But you'll seldom use those prefixes at all, whether you're dealing with science or whatever you're going to be doing. All right? But for the sake of this class, this course, the 7th grade math, we're going to be converting within this system. All right? So look at the example they give you on 6.4a, the bottom of page 112. 7 meters, and we're going to change that to centimeters. Meters to centimeters. Meters to centimeters. How many places is that? 1, 2. 2 places. And if you use the Z, all right, you're going from meters to centimeters, 1, 2 places. You're going down in the scale. If you go down in the scale, the decimal place goes to the right. All right. So I'm going to go 2 decimal places to the right. And if you go, and you see there, it becomes 700. 2 decimal places makes 700. All right. Take a look at the next page. You have 15.7 centimeters. Let's erase this. All right. 15.7 centimeters. So we're here. We're starting here, right? And we want to go to hectometers, up here to hectometers. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So we're going to move 4 decimal places, 4 jumps, 4 decimal places. Which way? We're going up in the scale this time. So up, the decimal place goes to the left. Right? So we're going to move 4 decimal places to the left. So we got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be 0.00157. Is that what it says in the book? Yes, it is. All right. So that's how you move within the metric system. Eventually, you won't need to use this anymore because you'll know. All right. Oh, okay. That's 4 places. That's and I'm going to move 4 decimal places, and you'll be able to do it. But until then, this little z here, if you move going down, decimal place goes to the right. If you're moving up, decimal place goes to the left. And again, it's the same as saying large to small or small to large. It's the same thing. All right, same thing. Here I'm going small to large. If I'm going down in the scale, I'm going large to small, so I'm multiplying. Here I'm going small to large, so I'm dividing. I'm going to the left. All right, same thing. All right, so that's how that works. All right, so if you take a look at your practice problems, all right, in the middle of the page there, number 1, 14 meters is how many decimeters? All right, I'll give you a second to take a look at that and figure that answer, and then I'll show you how that's done using the Z. All right, so 14 meters is how many decimeters? Meters to decimeters. All right, meters to decimeters. If we take a look at that, let's erase this here. All right, we're going meters to decimeters. That's only one jump, right? I'm going down in the scale. My decimal place goes to the right. So 14 meters is 140 decimeters. All right. All right, that's how you do those problems. Your homework, there is no homework for tonight, but I would like you to work on those practice problems 1 through 9. Make sure you understand what's going on with those. You don't have any homework tonight. All right, we'll have another lesson here tomorrow. Make sure you take a picture of the homework we just graded. All right, the sharpening skills, page 112. Take a picture of that and submit that through Google Classroom. All right, bye-bye.